Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how you can easily pay someone on Cash App using a credit card. So here's a simple workaround on how you can easily pay someone on Cash App using your credit card. So the first thing to do is to launch the app and tap the icon in the top right corner. Then next thing to do is to link a credit card. So scroll down to link bank, then tap add a bank and choose a credit card. Then enter your Visa, your MasterCard, your American Express or Discover card information. Then Cash App supports linking US issued credit card once your identity is verified by adding a bank or a debit card first. Then after that, return to the home screen, then tap the dollar icon, which is the send button, then enter the amount you want to send. Then choose a payment method. So above the payment button, tap the source and select your linked credit card. Then add the recipient cash tag, phone number or email, and enter who you are paying. Then after that, tap pay to send. Then Cash App will apply a 3% fee for using a credit card, and that's how you can easily pay someone with a credit card on Cash App. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the vision button and subscribe for more. Thanks.